Hey, what's up, guys? I just want to touch base with you guys this week. This is just a real short video here. I'm really excited about some things that are happening on the channel here coming up. We got two different things getting ready to happen. The first video that's going to come up is I finally got White Shadow. Got the eBay turbo finished up on that, and it's tuned in pretty good. You know, I'm not a professional tuner or nothing, but I've got it good and safe, and it drives on the street excellent. And I'm going to do a video coming up next week on, or actually at the end of this week, I'm going to do a review on it. It's going to be the Texas Speed Chupacabra cam on the 5.3, which is what this is, with the cheap eBay turbo kit that I got. And I'm going to go into detail on what's going on with this turbo and how everything, the overview of how it all went together and everything, and how it performs. And it's great, man. So yeah, check out that video. That one's coming up next. But what I'm really excited about is in the upcoming weeks, probably next week. So yeah, next week or so, I'm going to start doing a methanol kit on this truck because I need to cool down my intake air temperatures on it when I'm in boosts. The intercooler is not very big on this one because it was the cheap eBay turbo kit. But it does work, it's functional, but I need to get my temps down, and so we need to run methanol on this. Yeah, I've been talking to Station Road Rat Rods. I don't know if you guys know about this guy named Barry up in Canada, and he's got another guy working with him on some tech stuff, and they actually made a methanol kit for this truck. And well, not for this truck, but they made one for his truck, and it's very similar to what I want to do on this one. And I actually watched the videos, so check out Station Road Rat Rods if you like this kind of stuff. And I'm going to try to do something kind of similar to what he did. I don't want it to be the same. I want it to be have a little different flavor, a little different twist on it. But I'm basically going to be learning from him on how he did things on his and just kind of tweaking it to fit my application. But yeah, we'll see how all that works out. But I have no idea what I'm doing, but I'm going to learn how to do it. Just like I said with you guys, we're going to figure this stuff out together. And when I make mistakes and stuff, which you've seen, I do make mistakes and stuff bad happens, you know, you're going to see it. So this is going to be like live action or whatever, you know, for the most part. I'm trying to not bore you to death with everything, but I do want it to be in detail enough to where that when you guys watch these videos, you'll be able to see, you know, what's really involved in this stuff and, you know, how much time it really kind of does take, you know, and then you can fast forward through it or whatever if you get bored. And I get it, you know, a lot of guys out there, y'all already know how to do this stuff, you know, but I'm learning stuff all the time as I'm doing this because I don't know. And, you know, I think it's fun to learn how to do this stuff. And yeah, you could go out and buy a methanol kit and you don't have to do nothing with this except plug it in and run it, right? Well, there's a couple reasons why I'm not doing that. First of all, I don't have that kind of money. I can't just run out and buy a methanol kit and put on here. I can't do it. I had to nickel and dime scrape to get the turbo on there. So we're going to see how we can do it, and I'm going to build it myself with the help of those guys. Hopefully they'll be patient with me. But and we'll try to get this thing built and together and make it work and have the satisfaction of knowing that I have pretty much laid hands on every part on this truck and built it myself. I built the engine myself. I built the transmission myself. I built the rear end myself. Almost all those videos are on my channel except the engine one, I think. But anyway, another rant. Stay tuned. It's going to be cool, man. This methanol video is going to be really sweet. But I'm going to do a drive video and a review video, an in-depth review video on this turbo with that Chupacabra cam. And that's going to be coming up later this week. So you guys have an awesome week and stay tuned. We got good things happening here, and we'll see y'all later.